Have you heard of chickpea cookie dough before? Because today I am going to show you how to make my chickpea protein cookie dough that it tastes like a cookie dough. It's made with chickpeas and it's got protein in it. So it's basically like health food, but also so delicious. We haven't met before. My name's Heather. Thanks for being here. I run Fit Mama Real Food. I'm a wife, I'm a mom of 4, and I love creating healthy, nourishing recipes that nourish my family and then in turn nourish you and your family. So years ago, when my son was little, and he's 9 now, we used to make these chickpea cookie dough bites and we'd bake them into cookies, and they were made using canned chickpeas. And so that is where this recipe stemmed from. I love taking just a traditional recipe and making it better for you with better for you ingredients where you can get more out of it, and that's exactly what we're doing with this chickpea protein cookie dough. So the recipe comes together super simply in the food processor. You could make it in a blender if you have maybe like a Vitamix or something like that, but a food processor makes it super simple. We blend up the chickpeas. You want to blend them well so you're not getting whole chickpeas in your cookie dough. You add your maple syrup and vanilla, and that helps it to really blend up really well. And then all the other good stuff comes in. We've got peanut butter powder, we've got vanilla protein powder, coconut flour, and some seasonings. And it blends. You put it in a jar, and then you spoon it into your mouth. Here is the quick video how-to, and then let's chat after that. Came together so quickly. It's so delicious. I hope that you get to try this recipe in your kitchen. And if you're looking for specific substitutes, head over to the blog post. It's linked down below. And there is where I share tips, substitutions, all that kind of good stuff within the blog post for you. So give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And if you try the recipe, leave a comment letting me know what you thought. If you've tried a chickpea treat before, let me know if you're a fan of them, because I have more in the works because it's so fun baking with beans or making treats with beans. So stick around. Be sure to subscribe to this channel so that you're not missing those recipes when they are out. Hope you're having a great day. Bye.